Hi, Mia. You look so happy today. What's going on?
Yes, Jake, I feel great. I finally finished my big project.
Wow, that's awesome. I thought you were struggling with it. Last week, you said you kept, what's the word? Putting it off?
Yes, Jake, I was procrastinating.
Procrastinating? What does that mean again?
Procrastinating means delaying something. It's when you know you need to do a task, but you keep saying, I'll do it later.
Oh, I know that feeling. So, how did you stop procrastinating? Tell me everything.
Well, first I need to tell you how bad it was.
How bad?
Really bad. Last month, I had to write a school project. I had 3 weeks. But what did I do? I watched TV. I scrolled on my phone. I cleaned my room. I even played games.
You did everything except the project.
Exactly. Every day I said, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came.
So, what happened?
One day, my teacher said, Mia, only 5 days left for your project. I panicked. I had nothing written.
Oh no, that must have been stressful.
Very stressful. But then I decided to change.
So, what did you do?
I made a plan, a simple one.
What kind of plan?
Step 1, I turned off my phone. No social media, no games.
Smart move.
Step 2, I divided the project into small parts. Instead of thinking, I have to write 20 pages, I said, I will write 2 pages today.
That sounds easier.
Yes. Step 3, I rewarded myself. After writing 2 pages, I gave myself a treat: chocolate, a short walk, or one episode of a show.
Oh, I like that step.
Step 4, I reminded myself why I was doing it. I wanted a good grade. I wanted to feel proud.
And did it work?
Yes. On day 1, I wrote 2 pages. On day 2, I wrote 3. On day 3, I wrote 5. Soon, I was ahead of schedule.
Wow, from procrastination to productivity.
Exactly. And you know what? It felt good. I was not stressed. I was happy.
So, what's your secret, Mia? Tell our viewers.
Here are my tips to stop procrastination. 1. Turn off distractions. Phone, TV, games. 2. Start small. Do a little each day. 3. Reward yourself for progress. 4. Remember why you started. Your goal matters.
Those are simple and clear. Anyone can try them.
Yes, and trust me, it works. Now let's practice some sentences together. Repeat after me. I sometimes procrastinate. I want to be more productive. I make a plan and start small. I reward myself after work. I feel proud when I finish my tasks.
Mia, thank you for sharing your story. It was inspiring.
Thank you, Jake. And thank you, friends, for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And tell us in the comments, do you procrastinate? How do you become productive?
See you in the next video. Bye.